Hello guys, in this video I will show you Fidelity Roth IRA guide. A Fidelity Roth IRA is a great way to invest for your retirement. You contribute after-tax money and your earnings and withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Fidelity is a trusted platform that offers no account fees, a variety of investment options, and easy tools to help you plan your future. To open one, go to fidelity.com or the Fidelity app, choose Open an Account, then select Roth IRA, add your personal details, funding info, and pick your investments like index funds or ETFs. For 2025, you can contribute up to $7,000 or $8,000 if you're 50 plus. Starting early lets your money grow tax-free through compound growth. Even small regular contributions can build a strong retirement fund. So consider opening a Fidelity Roth IRA today to secure your future. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.